Hello friends, if you resolve any issue within a 2 minutes, then it really feels like a charm. So let's do it. So you can see if I'm going to search anything, printer issues or something. So also you can see here it is showing the Yahoo search engine is the default one, and I'm going to search here so you can see Yahoo. So this is the thing that we can just resolve it. So let's click to the three dots over here and go to the settings, and once you come to the settings, click to the search engine, and once you click here, there's a two options that we need to do. First, select Google, and second thing, come to the below option and choose. You can see here there are a lot of websites mentioned, search engine mentioned, the Google, DuckDuckGo, and Bing, Yahoo. So you can, if you want to use any, so you can also use it, but by default we mostly use Google. So I already chosen here, so yes, it will be used Google automatically, and even you can also remove from here, so it will not be used by mistake or something. So this is the way you can resolve it and use only Google default. So this is the default one. Now if you're going to here and I'm just searching something, printer issues or something, so yeah, you can see the Gmail is showing me for the login, and the default one, and I'm just going to open the new tab, so it's showing the Google instead of Yahoo. So this is the way, so you can just resolve the search engine issue. That's it. So thank you, have a nice